Let's talk about Amethi. In less than 24 hours from now, the window to file nominations for seats going to polls in phase 5 will close. But the two seats that remain in the spotlight are Amethi and Raebareli for Congress's inordinate delay in announcing its candidates. While there is nothing official, Times Now has learned that Congress leadership has managed to convince Rahul Gandhi to contest. But there is a twist here, viewers. The former Amethi MP has reportedly agreed to contest from Raebareli, the seat held by Sonia Gandhi before she shifted to Rajya Sabha. In Amethi, for the first time after 1998, a non-Gandhi might be in the fray, with the name of KL Sharma doing the round. Sharma is considered to be a close aide of Sonia Gandhi. This comes amid or after continued reluctance of Priyanka Gandhi to take the poll plunge. What seemed to have changed Rahul's mind is Mallikarjun Kharge's argument that if Gandhis do not contest from bastions, it will send a negative message in Hindi heartland, and subsequent discussions with Sonia Gandhi. According to sources, Priyanka Gandhi, who is busy campaigning for the party, has repeated her fears of party being branded dynastic if three Gandhis, that is Sonia, Priyanka and Rahul, become MP at the same time. The final decision likely to be known anytime now. We are waiting to hear from the Congress officially.
सीईसी ने पूरा अधिकार कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को दे दिया है। उम्मीद है कि आज शाम तक कोई ना कोई घोषणा निकल आएगा, बिल्कुल औपचारिक तौर से। नहीं, हम चाहते हैं कि राहुल जी लड़े अमेठी से, हम चाहते हैं कि प्रियंका जी रायबरेली से लड़े, पर यह भी सही है कि दोनों देश भर में प्रचार कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस संगठन, कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता सभी लोग चाहते हैं कि राहुल जी अमेठी से लड़े और प्रियंका जी रायबरेली से लड़े, बट ये उनका निर्णय है, उनका व्यक्तिगत निर्णय है।
पूरी तैयारी है। कल 11 बजे कांग्रेस पार्टी नॉमिनेशन करेगी।
मतलब राहुल या फिर प्रियंका जी आ रहे हैं, ये तय है ना?
देखिए, ये अमेठी के लोगों की भावना है। हमारी भी इच्छा है राहुल जी लड़े या प्रियंका जी लड़े। हम सब चाहते हैं राहुल जी या प्रियंका जी लड़े, और हमें भरोसा है कि हमारी भरोसे पर, अमेठी के लोगों के भरोसे पर आज मुहर लगेगी।
रायबरेली और उसको लेकर देरी क्यों हो रही है? क्या
ये केंद्रीय नेतृत्व का निर्णय है या डिसीजन रहेगा, इसमें मेरा बोलना ठीक नहीं।
क्या राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी को वहां से कैंडिडेट
जो भी होगा शाम तक, कल तक पता चल जाएगा।
The Congress is busy weighing pros and cons of its decision because it is going to have far-reaching political impact. Meanwhile, KL Sharma, whose own name is doing rounds as candidate from Amethi, has also urged the Gandhis to contest, and so have the supporters of the Congress party.
दोनों जगह से नॉमिनेशन को लेके तैयारियां हैं, दोनों जगह बराबरी तैयारियां हैं मालूम है। तो हम लोग जो भावना आप देख ही रहे हैं, यहाँ आपको ज़्यादा आप लोकल हो, तो जो भावना है मैं इनके अंदर अपने आप को समाहित करता हूँ। तो निर्णय जो होना है हमारी सीईसी करती है, तो जो जैसी निर्णय आ जाएगा तो हमारे लोग उस पर मालूम कर।
Let's open this up. Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, JVC Shriram, political strategist, commentator, Mohammad Tariq Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and we have Gandhi family insider, Tehseen Poonawala. Needs no introduction. Tehseen, please tell us what we don't know, but you know.
Tomorrow the nominations will be filed, both of them, Amethi and Raebareli.
That we know.
Then
tell us what we don't know.
What you don't know is BJP MP is going to lose Amethi by minimum 50,000 votes, guaranteed.
Okay,
minimum
against
50,000.
Who will win Amethi?
Any Congress Karyakarta, whoever the CEC decides will win.
Robert Vadra included?
If Robert G contests, it will be 2.5 lakh votes, the victory margin.
Okay, so if Rahul Gandhi contests, the margin will be 50,000, but if Robert Vadra...
No. If a Karyakarta contests about 50,000, Robert Vadra 2.5, Rahul Gandhi 3.5.
Okay, JVC Shriram, Tehseen will not give us the names.
I'm laughing. Pradesh, Tehseen came in 2022 elections before that, and he said BJP will win less than 50 seats, Congress will form the government with majority. These are Tehseen's predictions which are there in Twitter. Okay, so I would like to take this also as one such prediction. In fact, Tehseen, I really pray to God, give me that confidence which Tehseen gets. A party which does not even have 2% votes, but he can come on national channel, 6 p.m. in the evening and can just roll out numbers like 50,000, 1.5 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. My God, Teshin, I salute you, my friend.
You know, I think
salute
that
you.
confidence
it.
does
I
not
accept
come.
it.
No, 1 minute.
I
I think,
accept it.
one
I
minute,
accept
Tessin,
it.
I think the confidence comes, not so much from the Congress party or the linkage, but from the brilliant business mind that Tessin has.
Teshin has.
JVC.
Yeah, exactly. See, on a serious note, I think, what the Congress party is doing is a great disservice to the people of Uttar Pradesh. They deserve, at least the Karyakartas. I pity the Karyakartas who, in spite of going through all the pain which they have gone through from 1989 onwards, and there was a slight revival in 2009, and again, no signs of revival, and the party, and I also understand the dilemma of Rahul Gandhi. I will tell you what is the dilemma of Rahul Gandhi. Just give me 30 seconds. Rahul Gandhi, if by chance contests in Raebareli, and by chance he wins that seat, and if he has to resign from Wayanad, come 2026 election, it will be a major embarrassment for Rahul Gandhi at Kerala. Pinarayi Vijayan is not going to let it loose go so easily. He said he came to Kerala when he needed a refugee place, and now he has gone back to Uttar Pradesh. So I think Rahul Gandhi may not contest is what my feeling is. And even if he contests, both Raebareli and Amethi would be won by BJP. There is absolutely no doubt about that. Smriti Irani will win by over 1.5 lakhs votes, and probably Dinesh Pratap Singh will win by around 50,000 to 75,000 votes. That's what I would say. But what the Gandhi family is doing is great disservice to the Karyakartas of the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh. That's all I would like to say.
Let's, hold our thoughts. Tessin, just coming to you, we are hearing something from Amethi. Top sources now telling us, in fact, we have a confirmation from Amethi. Rahul set to fight from Amethi. Gandhi Parivar will accompany Rahul to file nomination tomorrow. Who's saying this? We'll tell you. Amethi ke Purv Vidhayak Radheshyam Dhobi. He can be the proposer of Rahul Gandhi. Top sources have told Times Now that this is what the strategy is. Let's play out that reaction.
अनिल जी, नामांकन में कुछ घंटे से बचे, कौन करेगा नामांकन?
राहुल गांधी जी नामांकन करेंगे। कल राहुल गांधी जी नामांकन करेंगे और भारी संख्या में लोग रहेंगे। अमेठी के जनमानस के लिए बड़ी बात है कि उनके नेता आ गए हैं और वो नामांकन कल करेंगे।
कौन रहेगा
नामांकन की बड़ी तैयारी हो गई है। नामांकन में हो सकता है पूरा परिवार है, क्योंकि हमेशा ज़्यादातर परिवार के साथ ही आते जाते रहते हैं।
नामांकन का पत्र खरीदने की बात सामने आ रही है ऑनलाइन।
अब ऑनलाइन की बात नहीं बता सकते, लेकिन कल पर्चा दाखिला राहुल गांधी जी करेंगे।
कितने बजे होगा?
दोपहर में करेंगे।
अनिल जी, नामांकन में कुछ घंटे से बचे, कौन करेगा नामांकन?
राहुल गांधी जी नामांकन करेंगे।
Anil Singh, leader of the Congress on-ground worker, Tessin confirming that tomorrow Rahul Gandhi will be filing the nomination. And like JVC said, why are you doing this to people of Amethi?
The people of Amethi have realized one thing. I was in Amethi before I came to Pune, and I'll give you one hint. I'm coming back to Delhi late tonight. So there is a reason why I'm coming back to Delhi. But the people of Amethi said one thing. Everywhere I went, they said, "Sabse badi bhool, Kamal ka phool." Everywhere in Amethi, this is the slogan. "Sabse badi bhool, Kamal ka phool." So the Kamal will be crushed.
नहीं, उन्होंने ये भी बोला होगा, नहीं, हम पकड़े किसका हाथ, कौन देगा साथ. अब कौन कैंडिडेट ही पता नहीं है आपको.
वो तो कल हो जाएगा सुबह.
Okay, let's bring in Ranjita.
Tomorrow afternoon nomination will be filed.
Okay.
It will be filed by a male and a female candidate tomorrow, as per me, in two different cities. Please, अभी देखते कौन है.
Okay, that's some hint. Well, let's build on it. Ranjita is now joining us. Ranjita, आपने ये जो खबर हम तक पहुंचाई है, वहां पे जो कांग्रेस के वर्कर उन्होंने कह दिया है कि कल राहुल गांधी नॉमिनेशन फाइल करेंगे. अभी तहसीन बोल रहे हैं कि एक मेल होगा और एक फीमेल होंगी अमेठी और रायबरेली से.
देखिए, तहसील भी कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस की एक वफादार सिपाही की तरह बात कर रहे हैं. अभी तक वो भी पत्ते नहीं खोल रहे हैं, लेकिन सूत्रों का दावा और जो अमेठी की कांग्रेस की कार्यकर्ता है वो लगातार राहुल गांधी के नारे लगा रही है. गौरीगंज में मैं मौजूद हूँ और यहाँ जो नजारा है वो कुछ इसी तरह से इंतजार हो रहा है आधिकारिक घोषणा की, लेकिन कल नामांकन की पूरी तैयारी हो गई है. पूर्व एमएलए राधेश्याम धोबी जो है वो प्रस्तावक राहुल गांधी के बनेंगे। इसके अलावा और 4-5 नेताओं का नाम लिया जा रहा है। हाथ बदलेगा हालात, कांग्रेस इस स्लोगन के साथ इस बार लोकसभा चुनाव में है और एक बार फिर यानी 5वीं बार अगर राहुल गांधी अमेठी से नामांकन करते हैं तो 5वीं बार राहुल गांधी अमेठी से नामांकन करते हुए नजर आएंगे। और सूत्रों का ये भी कहना है कि नामांकन के दिन यहाँ पूरा गांधी परिवार होगा, जिसकी तैयारी कांग्रेस अंदर खाने कर रही है। प्रियंका गांधी रहेंगी, सोनिया गांधी रहेंगी, उनका पूरा परिवार रहेगा। अब सवाल बार बार यही उठ रहा है कि अमेठी से कौन और रायबरेली से कौन, लेकिन कार्यकर्ता लगातार राहुल गांधी का नाम ले रहे हैं।
चलिए रंजीता, धन्यवाद हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। डॉक्टर कौशल मिश्रा, ये तो स्ट्रैटेजी आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे। राहुल गांधी तैयार हैं, कल नॉमिनेशन भरने वाले हैं।
ये तो अच्छी बात है ना, कम से कम कांग्रेस ने किसी को तो बलि का बकरा ढूंढ ही लिया, कोई तो मिले अमेठी पे शहीद होने के लिए, क्योंकि इतने दिन तक तो इसी चक्कर में डिले किया गया है। आप ये समझिए कि जिस तरह से कांग्रेस अपने इश्यूज को रखने के लिए प्रॉक्सी प्रवक्ताओं को भेज रही है और अपने प्रवक्ताओं को नहीं भेज रही है, इसी से पता चलता है कि इंडियन नेशनल कंफ्यूज पार्टी अभी भी कंफ्यूज और अमेठी की जनता और देश की जनता को कंफ्यूज कर रही है। वो लोग जो इंडी गठबंधन में पूरी तरह से मिल करके एक लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हैं कि मोदी के अगेंस्ट कौन, वो अमेठी में भी कोई नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनको देश भर में कहीं इनको जगह
उन्होंने ढूंढ लिया है, वो बस बता नहीं रहे हैं, वो बस बता नहीं रहे हैं क्योंकि उनकी स्ट्रैटेजी है, वो आपको सरप्राइज करना चाहते हैं।
तो शर्म किस बात की आ रही है?
Does this work, JVC? What kind of strategy is this? If Rahul files nomination,
he made a personal comment on me. Allow me to rebut that.
No, you know, he didn't mean it. हमारे सम्मानीय एनालिस्ट हैं। नहीं।
I have not made any personal comment.
Reply to, but I reserve a right to reply.
Of course. Okay, तहसील।
So after JVC, let JVC finish then I'll reply.
किसी को कोई पर्सनल कमेंट नहीं किया।
चलिए ठीक है, मिश्रा जी एक बार JVC से जवाब ले लेते हैं। JVC, what is this surprise factor that was being talked about, still being talked about, now that we don't have an official confirmation on this?
So we still do not have we do not know. It's still a surprise. For all you know, at the end of the day, they might just say that the family has decided that it is the time to give an opportunity to Karyakarta. So let them go and contest. Who knows? It might be the line. Because what is in the Congress line of thinking, nobody knows. Because Rahul Gandhi, as time and again said, we have entrusted the responsibility to Mallikarjun Kharge and he will take a decision. He has been authorized. And Jairam Ramesh is coming and saying that Rahul Gandhi will take the decision. Now, what is the problem in the Congress party is the party, as the BJP spokesperson correctly said, it has become an Indian national confused party. It is confusing its Karyakartas also. Remember one thing, Pramesh, in 2012, if Rahul Gandhi had contested as the CM candidate of Uttar Pradesh, after the comeback they had in 2009, after winning 22 seats in 2009 parliamentary election, if Rahul Gandhi had positioned himself as the CM candidate of Uttar Pradesh, Congress could have probably had a revival. We might not be seeing what we are seeing in 2024. Party made blunder after blunders, and I will tell you also on June 4th in Times Now Studio what blunders they have committed to reach where they have reached. And Teshi would also be joining me on that day.
You will meet Tehsin in the Times Now studios on June 4th and we will see then. But Mohammad Tariq Khan, आप लोगों ने तो अमेठी छोड़ दी है, अलायंस धर्म निभा रहे हैं, आपको तो पता होगा इनसाइड इंफॉर्मेशन कि कौन होगा, आप लोगों भी तो तैयारी की होगी कि रोड शो में भाग लेंगे।
If the information that is coming through you, that is right, so that Rahul Gandhi is planning to contest from Amethi or Raebareli, I'm really happy and I'm really congratulating to the people of Uttar Pradesh as well as our alliance partner Congress that we always believe that leaders should come forward and lead from the front and they should contest election from their constituencies, whether they lose or win. It's not a big deal for political system or for parliamentary democracy. It's all right if you lose or win. Rahul Gandhi has already lost Amethi. It's all right. It's all right.
आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Why are you not confident? आप बोल रहे हैं कि it's okay if you win or ऐसा मत करिए. देखिए तहसीन नाराज हो जाएंगे.
कह रहा हूँ, मेरी बात समझिए. अगर राहुल गांधी वहां कर्नाटका की जो सीट है वायनाड वो छोड़ देंगे तो वहां के लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे। और जो वडोदरा की सीट प्रधानमंत्री ने छोड़ी थी तो उन लोगों ने मिठाई बांटी।
अब पता नहीं है हंसी आपकी किस बात पे है, लेकिन तहसीन से जवाब ले लेते। तहसीन, you know, let what Dr. Mishra said, let that go. Respond to what Tariq Bhai is saying. He is not sounding confident of Rahul's prospect.
Exit poll.
Yeah, I will let go at the attempted pot shot that Dr. Mishra did try to take at me. It was as absent as the Prime Minister's press conference. I was still searching for where he tried to hurt me, like the country searching for Achhe Din. So I let go of it. It had enough fuse in it to blow off, enough dynamite in it to not even blow off the hair on my head. So I of course let go of it. It doesn't matter to me. Dr. Mishra, better luck next time. If you're taking a pot shot at Tehseen, at least come with something substantial, not something that tickles me. But here is what I'm saying. My friend from the SP is absolutely right. The question in elections isn't about winning or losing per se. It's about making a message, and Rahul Gandhi is of course winning. But the message out here is that today the BJP is so obsessed that in this entire debate that Pranesh has had, they have not been able to explain one thing that they've done either in Amethi or in Uttar Pradesh. All they can talk about is the obsessiveness with Rahul Gandhi. In fact,
No, that's not true.
Honorable,
Let's be fair. Smriti Irani has been talking about the kind of work that she's done there. We are only discussing the delay and the suspense around, a Congress candidate. I mean, what kind of strategy is this?
This is the perfect strategy because the BJP, in my opinion, has tried to manipulate these elections in such a way that the entire narrative has become a fake narrative. From the Honorable Prime Minister spreading fake news to taking on somebody from Pakistan, his friend from Pakistan, making him spread fake news and the Prime Minister taking it on. So we understand the strategy of the BJP. So our strategy is let them exhaust. So sometimes in boxing, as Muhammad Ali said, it's not who hits the first punch. It's who's standing the end. In the end, Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav
in the end,
will be on the podium.
I don't have time, but I'm sure you would have wanted to respond to it. But gentlemen, let's leave it at that. Thank you for joining us. We still don't know officially who the Congress candidate in Amethi or Raebareli will be. But thanks for joining us on Times Now.